What's going on, everybody? This your boy Vlad coming with a quick video. As you can see on my title, pretty much the trade OTC breakouts while the market is down. I haven't even looked at the markets as far as the QQQ today, just to see. It's actually look like it is trending up, but as you can see, it is a downtrend. So it might be a pop, then a couple reversal. So what I tend to do, when there's not a lot of NASDAQ plays or runners, is I tend to look for OTC breakouts. And I'm going to show you a few examples of some that have actually been running as of today. KALY. As you could see, and this is live, KALY. As you could see, the first breakout was at actually below a penny. It broke through, had this red day. Right here on the first green day, it broke past the high from the day that it broke out from the first day, if that makes sense. So here's the breakout levels at like a penny 49, so penny and a half pretty much. So this ramped up. As you can see, it's still actually trending upwards. You can see a trend line. Still haven't broken trend. So more likely, for me, I wouldn't hold it all the way up. I probably would have sold around like the 250s. And I was watching this, and I saw when this actually did this turn. So selling right in here. I think I actually sold right in here. So I didn't even wait. But as you can see, it's a breakout. PJet, I didn't play this, missed it, so I had to fix my parameters on my scan to be able to find this type of stock before it happened. So I actually got it fixed. So as you can see, this is like sub penny. Breakout again, finished, above the breakout. Next morning gap up, then ramp. So this was like a, 100% return on your money had you held it. Another one that I played was KRFG. I actually missed it on this day to buy it before the market closed. So I actually bought it the morning of when it gapped up. So I actually bought it right here at 0.0017. And I sold at 0.004. So that was almost 50%. Well, a little over 50% of return. This one, DPWW. Same thing. I didn't play this because this was like up way too much and the volume was like super weak. But as you see here, the 10 was the breakout because this was the highest point. And it surpassed it, went from 10, now it's at the 20s. So these are all different tickers. And I was actually watching this the other day, so it hit the breakout. And this is what happened. And there's a lesson. If it does not break out, do not buy. I made the mistake of trying to be, a little early buying it, but I cut my loss real quick so that way I didn't have any disaster. But normally, if it breaks past it, and it holds at the end of the day, that's a good buy. Few tickers that I'm looking at right now. I have IBGR. seeing if it could do a consolidation and eventually popping up past the one. This one is actually happening today, LLBO. So looking if it could hold past the, this is sub penny, so it's 0.0035 is the level. So if it could finish strong passing the 0.0035, I am purchasing. And this is not any suggestion for you to make any purchase because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. But more likely you may see a run. Another one is HVCW. So this one is actually broke out. So if it could hold past this level, you know, end of the day, I will be purchasing this. Another one, KOSK. So if it could reach the 0.0235 in the day, I will be purchasing it because you may see a run up. So the best way, and I keep saying this, if you haven't seen my videos on how to grow a small account, the best way to do so is with OTC Breakout. You know, you could start off with as little as $500 with plays like that. And, you know, you make a couple of hundreds, you grow your account really, really quickly. You know, so I know most people recommend you having at least like 2,000, 1,500, which is very, very helpful. But in the same token, if you don't have that kind of money to be able to invest, you could start investing with like $500 with like a E-Trade account, and you could, you know, just stick to one strategy. And the best strategy that I found to be able to grow a small account is with OTC Breakout. So another example, you know, I played this a few days ago. You know, missed this whole run up. Will, you know, played that same thing. I was buying it like when it was happening on this day here. Bought it end of the day. Missed this whole run up. You know, I sold like way too soon because I like to capture profit. And CVAR, same thing here. I bought it on this day. Once it broke out, missed the whole run up as well. Like pretty much all my plays, I miss the bulk of the move. You know, I do like to just lock in profits so that way I could be safe. And another one, I just played this one 2 days ago. Missed majority of, well, this one I actually timed it pretty well as far as my exit, so that one I'm proud of. Sometimes it does not work out, so I'm not telling you it's all peaches. Because with this BRYN, you know, it broke past it. Then the next morning had a gap down. Cut losses quickly, so that way you avoid disaster. Then it broke past it again here. Rebought it. Didn't do nothing. Cut losses again. You know, so it's not always, you know, it's not 100%. So as you can see, BRYN is that exception to the rule. So if you see something like BRYN happens, just cut your loss quickly because there's going to be more plays out there in the near future. So that way you could capitalize on it. GRPS, that's this upcoming one. So if it could somehow squeeze all the way and past the penny, then I believe this would run. The time frame that I always look at, I look at the 1 year, the daily 1 year. So see what it does. And typically using that time frame there, it helps a lot. So currently right now, the plays that I'm watching is INKW, KOSK, HVCW, LLBO, IBGR PJET KALY, and yeah, and those are the ones that I'm looking at right now for all OTC breakouts. Well, besides for the one, excuse me, besides for the one that's already breaking out. So I just want to make this quick video, you know, for you guys out there. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And for more content from me, subscribe to this channel. Always want to say this: smash up the like button. Smash up the like button. Have a good day, guys.